The official launch of Samsung's Galaxy S23 smartphones is just around the corner, and while the device's respective specs have been all but confirmed by leaks, the lineup's pricing structure remains the subject of much speculation. We recently reported on leaked Verizon documents suggesting that the Samsung Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra will cost the same as their Samsung Galaxy S22 counterparts in the US. The bad news, though, is that it appears Samsung won't be applying the same philosophy across the globe. Documents hinting at lofty Galaxy S23 prices in both South Korea and Australia circulated across the web some weeks ago, but a new report from reliable tipster Roland Quant indicates that customers in Spain, Germany, the Netherlands, and Belgium will also be faced with eye-watering Galaxy S23 prices. According to Quant, Galaxy S23 prices will be increasing by as much as €300, equivalent to around $325/260 over their predecessors' initial costs in these European regions, which would mark the biggest generational price jump in Samsung Galaxy history. It goes without saying that these proposed European Galaxy S23 prices are monumentally high compared to their US equivalents, but mobile prices have been steadily rising in non-US regions for several years now owing to the strength of the US dollar against more unstable international currencies. In Turkey and India, for instance, Galaxy S23 prices look set to be even higher than those in Spain, Germany, the Netherlands, and Belgium. According to Quant, the starting price for the least expensive Galaxy S23 model will be 50,000 Turkish lira, equivalent to around $2,660/2,145 $3,740, which is a small fortune. It's almost certain then that the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra will indeed be much cheaper in the US than other parts of the world. We haven't yet heard many details surrounding the lineup's UK pricing, but we'd wager that Samsung will launch its new phones in Britain for prices somewhere in between those US and European figures. In any case, we'll be able to verify the accuracy of these numbers when the Galaxy S23 lineup is officially unveiled during Samsung Unpacked 2023, which kicks off at 10 a.m. Pacific Time. Samsung's S23 reservation page is still open for pre-orders, and it's worth flagging that you'll get a nice little $50 store credit should you commit to purchasing one of its shiny new devices. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Comment down below. See you in the next video. Peace out.